Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in my channel. In this video, let's compare Android and iOS because the major difficulty is finding to whether buy an Android or iOS. So I'll compare few things between these two devices. I have here the iPhone 7 which I brought from a friend. I've been using this from past couple of weeks, and this is Motorola One Power. This is an Android device. This is my daily gear. So I'll compare these two mobile phones and I'll tell you my view in Android and iOS. I'll compare the speaker, the display, the resolution, computation power, software support, security, ROM support, I/O, etc. So when it comes to speaker, Android and iOS, based on iOS definitely gives the best speaker support. It has the best speaker, but the thing is it has the speakers on the down. So that's a fallback because everyone will watch a video like this or this way. When it's a front-facing speaker, that will definitely be super cool. Most of the Android devices come with a front-facing speaker, but now the devices are like bezel-less, so most of the speakers are down here too. So that can be common for both the devices. When it comes to display, iPhone has the best display I have ever seen. These displays are made by Samsung. iPhone displays are made by Samsung. I have read that in an article. Yeah, Android devices are also good, but when it comes to strength, iOS, these iPhone displays are like a bit weak. When they fell down, they tend to crack easily. But this Android displays are not that tensile. This phone dropped from my hands like 10-20 times, but still anything happened to this device. When it comes to computation, yeah, definitely iOS is like good. When it comes to this chip, it has the best chip ever. The latest iPhone 11 Pro Max comes with A13 Bionic chip. Android, yeah, you will have a best processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon. It has this Qualcomm Snapdragon support. A few devices will have that other processors too. But what to choose? When it comes to computation power, you need to get into this graphics and RAM into consideration. Android devices has now support 12 GB of RAM, but still iOS is still in 3-4 GB of RAM at max. When it comes to gaming, both provide the same, but iPhone will. My observation is my iPhone got heated very much. It's super heat, I can say that. Gaming is like smooth in my phone, in this Android device. Security, when it comes to security, iOS provides the best security ever. Being a closed source, it has high security. Android security is good, but being an open source, it has a fallback there. ROM support, you might have heard jailbreaking the iOS, but even after jailbreaking, you can't downgrade your iOS version, or you can't install another ROM in this phone, in your iPhone. So that doesn't support. You don't have any other ROM for iPhone. But when it comes to Android, you can root your phone. You might have heard what is rooting and all. If you are interested in rooting, just comment below. I'll make a video on rooting too. After rooting, you can install several ROMs in your Android phone. There are tons and tons of ROMs there. Sorry. You can install anything. I have tried that in one of my old phones. It's dead now. That's pretty good because the external RAMs or the external developers providing a RAM. Those RAMs will have higher computation with light resource usage. So your phone, your Android mobile can have an extended lifetime. And I/O. So iPhone will definitely have only this lightning cable through which you need to connect your charger and these earphones. But in most of the Android devices, you'll have this charging cable and headphone jack separately. That's when it comes to IO. When it comes to software support, Android will have it depends on the company. Few companies promise users to give the next 2 versions of Android version updates, but still iOS will definitely Apple will definitely provide long range software support. Even the iPhone 6 supports the latest software. So what to use? If you are a developer and you want to test different ROMs, then definitely Android is the best choice. For gaming or aggressive usage and rough and tough use, you can buy an Android device at a budget price, and you can change it for every 2 years. That's preferable. If you're an IT professional or someone who stores your passwords and everything, definitely iPhone is a good choice because it offers more security, software support, and it keeps your work safe. So I recommend, based on these scenarios, I recommend using both these phones based on your usage. But any cost, my preference is Android. If you like this video, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.